Trying every password you remember, but your iPhone still asks for the screen time passcode? This is a common problem, especially if the passcode was created a long time ago or set up by someone else. The good news is you don't have to stay locked out. Today, I'll show you 2 ways to remove a forgotten screen time passcode. The first method is Apple's official solution. However, this only works if you still remember the Apple ID and password that were used when setting up screen time. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Go to Screen Time, then click on the Change Screen Time Passcode. Now click on the Turn Off Screen Time Passcode option. When prompted, tap Forgot Passcode. Then enter your Apple ID and password. If your Apple ID information is correct, your screen time passcode will be removed. But if you forgot the Apple ID details, or this method doesn't work, don't worry. Try the second method. The second method is using AnyUnlock, a professional iPhone unlocking tool. Unlike Apple's method, AnyUnlock doesn't require you to remember the screen time passcode. It provides a simple way to remove screen time restrictions with just a few clicks. It supports the latest iOS versions and a wide range of iPhone and iPad models, and it doesn't require a jailbreak. Now, let me show you how it works. First, download and install AnyUnlock on your PC or Mac. Then, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB. Next, select the Unlock Screen Time Passcode option and click the Start button. After that, hit Unlock Now option. It will take some time to collect the necessary files, and you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions. After that, the screen time passcode unlocking process will begin. Once you see the Unlock Successful message, simply set up your device again. Your screen time passcode will now be successfully removed. So, these are 2 ways to remove a forgotten screen time passcode. The Apple ID method is worth trying first if you still have your account information. But if you don't remember your Apple ID or need a quicker solution, AnyUnlock is a simple and reliable option. You can find the download link in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.